Welcome to day 13 of the Learn to Code monthly series. In this video, we'll be creating a quiz application. To get started, we'll look at our algorithm. So we create a new file. And we save it. I'll save it on my desktop. Call it quiz. Okay, so you can call it quiz.py. I think I have a previous quiz I created. So let's write the algorithm. So step 1, explain the purpose of the program. Step 2, initialize the score variable. Step 3, display a question. Step 4, accept user feedback on that question. Now we're going to do this 3 times, so we'll display this 2 more times. Now this will be last step. Collate the score and display it to the user. So let's start. Print this is a quiz program about Nigeria. Initialize the score variable. So the score variable is going to keep track of the score of the user, and so this score is equal to 0. Now let's display a question. To display a question, we say question equals to input. It has 4 options, so go plus, slash, n is select option. So this is slash a slash n, sorry, a b c d. So we copy this, we go to the next question. We're going to display 3 questions. So question 3. This is question 2. So we have the questions now. But right now we have a template for the questions. We don't have the actual questions. So I'm going to ask 3 questions. So the first one is, in what year did Nigeria gain independence? So say this is before options: 1957, 1960, 1963, 1966. So we'll do the user feedback. Now, this character here is called the new line character. It's an escape sequence that forces the cursor to move to a new line. This concatenates, so it joins the strings together. But with the new line character, it breaks it into a new line. So let's get the user feedback. We'll now say if question 1.lower equals to B, because the correct answer is B, what should happen is you say score equals to score plus 1, print the answer is correct. Else print your answer is wrong. Print the correct answer is B, 1960. So let's dive in for question 2. Since we have that as a template, we don't need to run the program yet. We can just come here, copy and paste it. We'll edit it later on. And then do the same for question 3. So for question 2, we'll ask the question, in what year did the Nigerian Civil War end? So, 1967, 1968, 1969, 1970. So we modify this. We say question 2 dot lower is equals to D. And the last one, question 3. Who led the first war against Nigeria? So the give options: Kami Adams, Ibrahim Babangida, Adaka Bull, Odumegu Ojukwu. And so correct answer for question 3 is C. So lastly, to display the score, to collect the score, you just simply print out the score. So there's no need to collect. It should be display. Print your score. So we save, and then we check for errors by running it. So run. So the first one is, in what year did Nigeria gain independence? I will miss it deliberately and say 1957. So it says your answer is wrong. The correct answer is 1970. In what year did Nigerian civil end? So already I see a mistake when editing. I didn't change this part inside the options. I didn't change it. So in what year? The correct answer is 1970. So let me stop the program. Okay, I'm going to check. That is D. Is D 1970. The correct answer is C. Adaka. So save, run again. Okay, now we in what year did Nigeria gain independence? I would say A. Correct answer is, what year did Nigerian civil war end? Answer is D. Answer is correct. Remember the first, the answer is C. So your score is 2. So with that, we come to the end of the quiz. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching.